again if your mind has wandered, and finding the light. See the sources of light around you. See how the light lays upon the things in your surroundings. The light is happening right now. It is not in the past, and it is not in the future. It is a constant of the now. You are doing so well. Allow your eyes to close now and begin remembering what you just saw in your surroundings. Can you remember where the shadows are? Good. And can you remember where the lights were? Everything you saw is still there, even though your eyes are closed. It is in the now, this very moment. The shadows and the light are always there, in some form or another, no matter where you are or what you're doing. And now open your eyes again and look around. Right now, you see the present moment. And your mind has the wonderful ability to remember and to plan. But we must also cherish our ability to be in the moment, enjoying our surroundings. Returning to the now is a wonderful technique for focus. It helps you clear your mind so that you can focus on your goals and your dreams. Good job today, and remember to return to the now whenever you want to.